want healthy and delicious breakfast? Making Japanese-style breakfast is easier than you think. I am introducing 4 different meals, so please find your favorite one. Number 1. First, get your pickles ready the day before. Wash the cucumber and wipe off the moisture. Peel the skin. By peeling the skin, the looks become nice and it becomes easier to taste. Cut the cucumber into bite-sized. Put them into the clean bag or container. Now let's put seasonings. 2 teaspoons sugar. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. 1.5 teaspoons sesame oil. Rub the sauce onto cucumber. Let it stand overnight in fridge so that the taste will soak into it. Next day, the flavors have gone through. You can add chili peppers in the pickles liquid. I used the shredded red pepper as topping. Next, let's make a miso soup. Dehydrate dried wakame seaweed. You can also do this with water. I like using boiling water. Please use boiling water if you don't like the sea smell of wakame. Wash the wakame well. For the soup, I used this dashi packet today. If you don't have one, use dashi granules or your homemade dashi. When it boils, reduce the heat to low. Heat for 5 to 6 minutes on low heat to take soup stock. Take out the packet. Put wakame and tofu. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and add miso paste. Dissolve miso well. Next, I will make stir-fried carrot. Shred the carrot and bacon. Stir-fry them with a little sesame oil. Sprinkle a pinch of sugar, salt and pepper as you like. Next, I will make Japanese rolled omelette. Put eggs in a bowl and put sugar. Mix well. Heat a fry pan or pot well and pour oil. Please add the beaten egg little by little. I did it 4 separate times. The moment the egg is cooked, put it on the edge of the pan. Please add a little oil on the way as needed. It's great to use the fry pan exclusively for Japanese omelette, but it's okay to do with a round shape like this. Cut it and it's done. Grated daikon is a very popular topping for Japanese omelette, so please prepare this if you want. Mix the natto with the sauce attached to the pack. Stir well. Put it on the rice and sprinkle minced green onion as you like. Ready to eat. This is exactly Japanese breakfast. Super delicious, also very nutritious breakfast. Number 2. First, let's cook salmon for rice balls. Sprinkle salt on the salmon. Place a parchment paper on a fry pan. Pour a little sake on salmon if you have one. Cover and bake it for a while. Turn over on the way. Just make sure it's cooked. Transfer it to the plate and flake the salmon. As a green material to put in rice balls, I use mitsuba. Mitsuba has very nice smell. Please feel free to use parsley or your favorite green vegetable instead of mitsuba. Wash the mitsuba and wipe off the moisture. Mix rice with salmon flakes and mitsuba. Mix well. Check the taste here and please add a little salt as needed. Make rice balls using the plastic wrap. Next, let's prepare some garnishes. Cut the asparagus. Cook them in a fry pan with a little oil. Add 1 teaspoon butter. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Mix well. Cut corn and wrap it in plastic wrap. Microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Peel the skin of kiwi fruit. Cut it in half. Then dish up everything. These are so simple, but if you make rice balls with mixed rice, like salmon and mitsuba, you can enjoy a little special breakfast. Enjoy! Number 3. First, let's make bell pepper tuna. Cut the bell pepper and remove the seeds. Thinly slice the bell pepper. Microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Wipe off the water. Drain excess oil of canned tuna. Use half amount of it for 1 serving. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Put mayonnaise. Mix well. It's done. Next, let's make miso soup. Shred the daikon. Cut the thin fried tofu. Please feel free to use other ingredients, including your favorite vegetables and tofu. I prepared the soup using the Dashi packet this time as well. Simmer until the daikon is cooked. Turn off the heat and add miso paste. Dissolve miso well. For rice balls, I want to prepare 3 ingredients: salmon flakes, pickled plum, and kombu. I already showed you how to make salmon flakes. For the kombu, you can actually buy the kombu tsukudani at stores, but I will try to make it myself because I have salted kombu at home. It's very easy, just mixing the salted kombu with a little soy sauce and sugar. Finally, let's make rice balls. Make rice balls like this using the plastic wrap. This time it's not mixed rice, so please sprinkle a little salt on the whole surface of the rice balls. Wet your hands a little and then put salt on your palm. Put each ingredient as you like. For the side dish, I make cold tofu quickly. Dish up the tofu, sprinkle dried bonito shavings and minced green onion. And ready to eat. The recipe for the rolled omelette is the same as the former one. You can enjoy the 3 different kinds of rice balls. Number 4. First, let's make miso soup. Let's cut the vegetables and tofu while waiting for the dashi. Feel free to use your favorite vegetables. I used Chinese cabbage and carrot this time. Cut the tofu. When the soup is ready, add vegetables. Cook for a while and add tofu. Cover and simmer until the vegetables are cooked. Turn off the heat and add miso paste. Dissolve miso well. It's almost done already. All you have to do is making sunny side up and grilled sausage. Ready to eat. Please prepare pickled radish and pickled plums as you like. I think this is the easiest way to experience Japanese style breakfast. These are very simple but goes so well with freshly cooked rice.